Good morning, all. Welcome back. In our channel, we are checking small, simple way of writing Java codes in various aspects. We started with XML processing, and today we check one of the simple item which we often mistaken or overlooked in Java Streams API, where Java, if we incorrectly use it, it may lead into a lot of troublesome bugs in productions systems. So recently in our team, one of our team user complains that they are unable to access some pages where though they have access to it. So the configuration wise all seems correct, but the bug lies in a one Java piece of code in Java Streams usage. So that's what we're going to see today. So it's like they have set of configurations where if it present, the user is allowed to access some page. If it is not, they will won't allowed. So we'll check that code, not real the prod code, but I just similar code where the set of values, and in that values we'll do some operation and we'll do some filter and find it using findFirst. So for that we'll just take JShell. JShell is from JDK's command line like a REPL tool, read, evaluate, print loop. So here we'll take one list of values. So for simplicity, I'll just keep list of strings with just numbers, like sequence of numbers, just taking five values. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So the requirement is in case these are like some configuration, if this presents, we'll show the some specific pages to user. So if 1%, then it will be shows first page, 5%, fifth page, 7%, seventh page, like that. So let's take the user wants to see the fifth page and whether he has access to it or not. So the code, how it was written was, we'll iterate through using stream. So list.stream, then find first dot some map operation, some filter. It's like some configuration, so they checking exact value matching and some partial matching, like this contain that, like that. So it will be like stream, find first, then some mappings, some transformation. In case it's value object, you will take that particular attribute value from that complete value object, then do the filter. In the filter, we'll compare whether there is the expected element like 5 or the configuration value in the real case. So x5 equals x. X is maybe poor name, but for us, just simply explaining things. Since it's written optional, checking whether it's present or not. If you see this answer, it will say it didn't present. It will say false. Why it is? Though it present, 5 is present, but still fails. Because we used stream.find first, it just trying the first object it can see. So the find first should come after all our mapping and filtering operations, at least in this case. So if we change the find first and if we run it, you will see it return the expected value. So that's the cause of the bug, and that's the fix we made. Their team made, obviously it's not. And once they fixed up, hopefully they will release it already. I'm not sure because it happened very few days back. They have a lot of process to evaluate, and they have JNITs too, but their JNIT unable to find it. Let's see. Recap. Find first return optional for a element it can find, and it return here is the first option. That's the actual root cause of the issue. So be aware of how this mapping and terminal operations work and which order it process if we are using streams, API, and find first. Hope it helps to solve, at least avoid any issues in your teams or in your projects, in your work. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. We'll see in some other this kind of videos with simple tricks, gotchas, and useful items. See you soon. Thank you.